Okay guys, we are on our way to the bahay-bahay.
Me too.
Let's go guys. Ayun, ano yun? Tingnan kaya natin yun. Mag-house tour kaya tayo guys. Pero di ko sure. I'm careful. So, may apoy guys, oh. May apoy. Para yan sa baboy. Kinakatay pa yung baboy.
Doon dapat 50 kawan. Doon pang mami.
Yan guys.
Awat mo na yung bursa bisa sa. Magbong na. Wala, pupos na galing na. Perfect na
We're
galing.
Looking around. Yan guys. Ila. Cute ni Ila guys.
Yung nagbablog yung mag-iikot ha.
I will show you my video later.
Yung nagbablog
Okay.
yung mag-iikot ng lechon.
Ay, Hila. Grabe naman. Kayo na bahala dyan. Ako yung vlogger. Ako yung vlogger. Ako pa talaga yung maglilechon. Guys, ako daw yung maglilechon. Grabe naman. Ako pa talaga yung vlogger. Tapos ako pa yung maglilechon. Kakainin ko lang yun. Bahala sila dun. Guys.
It's cute.
Okay.
My video is cute.
So guys, si Papa Riden.
Yes, good morning everyone. Bukat ko kanong daghang kayo.
Hindi ko maintindihan pero trust the process lang. Ipopost ko to sa YouTube. Sabihin mo sila na mag-subscribe.
Kaya kayo kay Bibi Queenie, maganda, sexy at iba pa.
At
Queenie,
iba
maganda.
pa. At iba pa.
Super galing, super beauty, super sexy si Bibi Queenie. Okay? Tama yan. Mamaya na.
Okay.
Mga uncle mo lahat yan.
Okay.
Kapatid ng mami mo yan lahat.
Guys, ayan po yung lechon, guys. Wow. Grabe. It's so grabe, guys. Tingnan nyo yan.
Yummy.
It looks yummy daw, guys. Sabi daw ni ano.
Right.
Oh, ayan guys. Narinig nyo siya. Sinabi mo, subscribe. Yes! Subscribe daw, guys. Ayan, sa mga nanonood dyan, subscribe naman kayo. Ayan. Ito po. This is all of us. Kasi may fiesta dito sa Alemania. Excited na ako. Guys, may manok. Tingnan nyo. Manok. Uy! Bakbak! May manok! Oh, ayan no. Alam nyo guys kung anong sinabi niya? Like and subscribe! Yan yung translate ng manok. Yes, share daw guys. Share to your friends.
I'll show you my video. It's really cute.
Okay guys, we are following Ila. Cute ni Ila guys, no? Okay. Saan kaya tayo guys?
But share and like and subscribe.
Ito yung bahay, guys. Bahay ng granny ko. Oh.
But my video is nice.
Tanggalin yung sleeper, guys. Ayan. This is our house. Our home. Where we stay. Hi, Mom Shi. Yes. Ito guys, this is my mom when she graduated. Ang ganda naman niya.